Yo, what is up, legends? My name is Wikus and welcome back to the Wick Trading channel. First of all, I would like to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. You have no idea what it means to me and how much I appreciate it. I am only 8 subs away from 100, so please, everybody that has not yet subscribed to the channel, please do me a favor and click on that subscribe button. I will really appreciate it. I am sure that you have seen the post on my socials regarding Black Friday, where my special is running until the 3rd of December. Coming Friday. The full Nasdaq course is available for 1,500 Rand. That saves you 2,000 Rand on the price of the full Nasdaq course. Do not miss this, as the price will probably never be this low again. The responses that I'm receiving on the survey is blowing my mind, and the amount of compliments that I'm getting is really just too much for me to understand. Being placed in the same mentorship bracket as Mr. FestX is quite surreal to me, as you all know that he has been my mentor and the one that I've always looked up to and still do when it comes to mentorship and learning from. I have not achieved as much as he has yet, nor have I changed as many lives as he has yet, but I aim to do that with transparency and great quality education and mentorship, and I promise that I will always give my best to achieve that goal. I honestly do not see myself on that level yet, but I will never stop working towards that. But once again, thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. Please click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. And before I take too much of your time, let's get straight into the market. So I'm experiencing a bit of technical difficulties with my camera, so I will not be having a camera on this analysis. So let's just have a look at the clean chart for now. So on the monthly time frame, I would like to mark off this zone here, as it seems like the market wants to move bearish at this stage. So let's just mark it off as a monthly zone. Go down to the weekly time frame, mark off our weekly zones. There's our first one there, quite close to the monthly as we saw last week. And then we've got two more weekly zones, one right there and then one right here. There we go. And we can also put one there at the top, as it is possible that the market would want to go up at some stage. So for now, let's just keep it there. And then we lock all of these zones quickly. So we've got the weekly and the monthly zones. Go down to the daily time frame and just have a look at the daily zones that we can have a look. We've got one here, but I'm not going to mark it off, as we do have the weekly and the monthly zone quite close to it. But one that I am noticing is this specific one here. As you can see, we just had a perfect touch of that area there. So I'm going to mark it daily zone. That's marked. Okay, so what are we seeing in the market? Let's go to the weekly time frame. Have a look at the structure of this market. Massive bull trend that went up. Massive. If we take a trend line from the bottom of this area, we can take it from the bottom there, or we can move it up and start around about here. I would say there was a nice trend that worked up right there, and then the market got support there and basically moved back up. So that's on the weekly time frame that we've got the nice A, B, C, D. And if we go to the daily time frame, it'll be a much clearer pattern that basically played out round about here. On the daily time frame, we've got this nice trend that played out, and then the market decided this week that nope, it wants to break out, come back, retested this specific area here, and then dropped to this daily support zone right about there. Okay, so what am I noticing now? We've got the nice A push, we've got the B zone, and now we are moving towards the C zone of the daily ABCD pattern. So basically moving this fib up to the top of this whole trend, and now we scout out and look for the areas that we would like the market to come towards, to where we could start looking for possible buys again. So the first one we can look at is this daily zone that we are currently at, as it's just above the 38.2. Although I'm not quite convinced, I am expecting more bear movement to come in from this area. It is possible. What I would like to see is the market move down from this specific area, continue down to round about there, a possible retest there, and then a break to the bottom here. The reason why I'm looking for this specific area is about 3 or 4 weeks ago, I called, no, it's not that long, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I called this area 15,340. And I would like the market to actually come to this specific area and actually complete that. That'll be between the 61.8 and 78.6 on the fib. I would like the market to actually push down to this specific area. Now keep in mind, it could happen very fast. It could literally be just a one candle, one wick, and then a continuation to the bottom there. I'm not saying it's going to happen, but that's what I would like to see. It is also possible that the market can actually continue up like that, and maybe just hover around this area here the whole time before we continue to the top. I would like the market to come to this specific area. And remember, we do have a monthly support zone around about here. So it is possible that we can get all the support that we need at this specific area. For now, I'm still bearish. I did not expect most of this bear movement. I saw that the market turned around. I was like, okay, great. We are going to fall down. We're going to go down. And what happened is when the market pushed up this bull movement, I did not expect that at all. I was already convinced that we are selling when we got to this specific area and we started forming this momentum here. And I sent out a video to my students. I tried a very risky buy on Friday because I missed my initial sell and I was looking for a specific buy and I missed it. The sell, so I tried a risky buy to maybe catch it to the top and then sell again, but the buy knocked me out, so I left it. It's just a risk factor that I like to do sometimes. It's try specific tricks as I learn the market. But I saw this sell coming. I did not expect this specific buy to push up, but I saw the sell coming and I sent out a video to my students in the student group that they should expect the sell to come in. I think I did say in the video I'm expecting it to go to 15,650. So let's have a look what this week is bringing for us. I am expecting more bear movement. I would like this area to break. Remember, the lower we go now, the better it is for us to get better entries for the continuation buy coming afterwards again. So yeah, it'll be nice to see where the market will give us a perfect entry to continue with the buys. Well, I hope this video helps you guys. I hope this video is informative, and if you've got any questions or opinions on my analysis, please be so kind to leave a comment. Also, please be kind to click on the like button, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification. I will really appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next video. Have a legendary week. Cheers.